So 54 million Americans strength train once a month. And about 44% of people, inactive people, when you ask them why they don't exercise, they tell you because it's not fun. It's really boring. They feel like, oh, I'm looking at the clock, get me out of here. It's just too boring for them. And I bet that out of the 54 million people that exercise once a month, if you made it more engaging and immersive, they would exercise more often, more than once a month. So hello, everybody. My name is Sanjay Nichani, and I lead the AI/ML team at Peloton. And today I'm going to be talking about a product called the Peloton Guide, which you can see over here. This is Peloton's first embedded strength AI product. And before I dive into what the product actually is, I want to give sort of a shout out to the cross-functional guide team that made it happen. It really, truly takes a village to bring a consumer product into market. So what exactly is the Peloton Guide? Well, the Peloton Guide is something that actually transforms your TV in your household to a personal interactive training studio. And through this TV streams fun classes taught by our awesome instructors, which many of you have grown to love, with the bike or tread. They teach strength classes that are layered on top of about 400 movements, a library of 400 movements, using their body weight and also using dumbbells. While there are many interesting features on the guide, there are a couple features that I'll be focusing on today. One of them is the smart framing, and the second one is the movement tracker. Both these features are powered by computer vision, so I thought it would be pretty interesting to sort of cover them in more detail.